Hello everyone. This video is the second part of session 4, retrieve data using query. Now in this video, SQL statement or command that I am going to explain in detail is update statement. Now update statement purpose is what? That update statement is used for modifying records in our database. Meaning of this statement is that whatever data we have entered in our table of the database, if we want to do some changes in that already entered data, so that is possible by using update statement. Now I'm going to use student details database and in that student info table to explain you meaning of this statement little bit more. So now moving to student details database. So here in the student details database and in this student info table, as you can see that we have details of 8 students, and if we want to do any kind of change in the data of any student, so that is possible by using update command. For example, as you can see that color that Anand likes is black, and if I want to change this color from black to some other color, so that is possible by using update command. In the same way, as you can see that location of the Yash Mishra is Gwalior, but if I want to change this location from Gwalior to Bhopal or Gwalior to Jabalpur, so that is also possible. So whatever data we have in the table, if we want to do any kind of change in that data, so for that we are using update command. Now moving back to the next slide. Now after this syntax of update command or statement is, first of all update we have to write, thereafter name of the table, then set, and after this we have to write name of the column in which we want to do the change, and then we have to write after equal value, means new value that we want in that column, and if we want to enter value in 2 or more columns, so that is also possible, and we have to separate each column name by comma, and thereafter if we want to do any kind of change in a specific record, so for that we have to give condition, and for that we have to use where clause, and thereafter just to end update command statement we have to enter semicolon at the end. So this is the syntax of the update command. Now here I am going to take some examples to explain you function of update command practically. So here the first question is, write SQL command to change location of Mahesh Shukla from Jabalpur to Bhopal. So here what we have to do, we have to write one SQL command to change location of Mahesh Shukla from Jabalpur to Bhopal. So right now location of Mahesh Shukla is Jabalpur, but we have to change this location from this Jabalpur to Bhopal. So as we are going to change value of one cell of the table, so that's why here we have to use update command. So update, thereafter name of a table, that is student info, then set, and as we want to change value in the location column, so that's why location equals to and new value is Bhopal, where, and thereafter we have to give condition that as we want to change location of Mahesh Shukla, so condition is wherever in the name column value is Mahesh Shukla, in that we have to change location and the new location is Bhopal. So this is the update command for this task. Now I am going to execute this command by using the student info table. Here first thing is that whenever we want to write update command, for that we have to use this tools tab, and in the tools tab we have to select this option, that is SQL. And now here in execute SQL statement I will write update command. So first of all update, after that table name, so student info, in the double quotes, thereafter set. Now as I want to change location of Mahesh Shukla, so here column name is location equals to, and the new value is Bhopal, and thereafter we have to give condition, because as we want to change location of only one student Mahesh Shukla, so here we have to use where clause for this purpose. So where name equals to Mahesh Shukla, and just to end this update statement we have to enter semicolon at the end. So here as we have to change value of one cell of the table, so that's why update command we have to use, thereafter in the double quotes table name in which we want to do the change, after that set, then we have to write name of the column in which we want to do the change, and the new value that we want is Bhopal, and thereafter as we want to do change in one specific record, so that's why we have to give here condition, and the condition is what, that in the column name wherever the value is Mahesh Shukla, in that we have to change location value to Bhopal. So here this is the update command, and now just to execute this update command we have to click up. And now as I'm getting the message, command successfully executed. So this means now location of Mahesh Shukla has changed to Bhopal. So now just going to close it, and thereafter I'm going to check that location has changed to Bhopal or not. So opening student info table, and here I have to refresh this table now, and in the Mahesh Shukla record you can see now the new location is Bhopal. So here this is the one use of the update command, that whenever you want to change any data in the table, so that is possible by using update command. Now next is, now here the task is write SQL command to change color and class of roll number 21 to purple and 6th respectively. Means here what we have to do, that we have to change color and class value of roll number 21 to purple and 6th respectively. So these are the new values for color and class column, purple and 6th for the roll number 21. So as again we are going to change here value of two columns, color and class of the table student info, so we have to use update command. So update command for this case is what, that update student info, thereafter set, and as we are going to change first of all color to purple, so that's why color equals to purple, and class also we have to change to 6, so class equals to 6, and then we have to give condition because these values we want to change of roll number 21, so where clause is there, and after where roll number equals to 21, and semicolon to end this. So now moving back to the students details database to execute this command. So here right now you can see in case of the roll number 21, this is of the Yash Mishra. Right now color is green and class is 5th, and this color we have to change from green to purple and class from 5th to 6th. So for this we have to use update command. So now going to write update command to change color and class of Yash Mishra. So here again tools tab, and in the tools tab SQL, and I am going to write now command. So update, table name is student info, then set color equals to purple. After that class I want 6th in place of 5th, so class equals to 6th, and thereafter condition we have to give because we want to change color and class of roll number 21. So here condition is where roll number equals to 21, and then just to end this statement I have to enter semicolon. So here we are going to update, or we are going to modify data of student info table, and what we are going to do, we are going to change color column value as purple and class column value as 6th, and in the case where the roll number of the student is what, 21. So now going to execute this command, so execute, and thereafter we are getting the message command successfully executed. Now close, and going to check the table again. Here I have to refresh this table. So now here you can see in case of the Yash Mishra, class is 6th and color is purple. So here we have changed roll number 21 class and color to 6th and purple respectively. So this is one more use of the update command you have seen, and in this example you have seen that how can we change value of 2 or more columns. Now moving to the next slide. Now next task is write SQL command to change class of 10th students to 11. So here what we have to do, as we are going to promote class 10th students to class 11th, so for this purpose we have to write SQL command. So here as we are going to change values of cells from 10 to 11, so we have to use update command. So update command for this purpose will be what? First of all update, thereafter in the double quotes student info, because this data is available in the student info table, then set, and what we want to do, we want new value of the class column as 11, so class equals to 11. But here condition we have to give what, that wherever class column value is 10, there we have to change its value to 11. So this is a condition where class equals to 10, and thereafter end of the update command. So here what will happen, that wherever in the class column value 10 is there, it will get changed to 11 in the student info table. So now going to execute this command. So here in this table right now you can see in the class column two students are in 10th class, Anand and Parshva, and I have to change their class from 10 to 11. So now going to write update command for this purpose. So here again tools tab and SQL option. So update student info, and we have to set class column value as 11 wherever the class value is 10. So where class value is 10, and thereafter end of the update statement. So wherever in the student info table class column value is 10, it will get changed to 11. Now going to execute this command, so execute, and here we are getting the message command successfully executed. So now this is done, means wherever in the class column value 10 was there previously, now it is changed to 11. So close, and going to check student info table. So here right now we are getting 10 only, so we have to refresh our table, and now you can see that class of Parshva and Anand got changed to 11. So this is the way that how can we change value of two or more records in the table by using update command. So here you have seen three different examples of update command. In the first one I change only one value of one record. In the second example I change two values of one record, and in the third one I change one value of two different records. So this is all about the update command. Now here I am going to end this video, and next session of the unit 3 RDBMS will be started in the next video.